Working from home can be a dream come true for many people. No more long commutes, no more stuffy offices, and no more annoying coworkers. But working from home can also be a challenge, especially if you're not used to it. In this video, we'll be discussing the ultimate guide to work from home in 2023. We'll talk about the best jobs that allow you to work from home, how to ask your boss to become a work-from-home employee, and the best practices to keep productivity high. So, let's get started. Part 1. Best jobs that allow you to work from home. There are a lot of jobs that allow you to work from home, and they vary greatly in terms of the skills required and the pay. Some of the most common work-from-home jobs include virtual assistants, writers, graphic designers, web developers, and customer service representatives. We'll discuss each of these jobs and the skills you need to get started. Part 2. How to ask your boss to become a work-from-home employee. If you're currently working in an office and want to start working from home, you need to know how to ask your boss. We'll discuss the best approach to take, including how to prepare for the conversation, what to say, and what not to say. We'll also discuss the potential benefits for your employer and how you can make a convincing case for working from home. Part 3. Best practices to keep productivity high. Working from home can be a challenge, especially if you're easily distracted or have a hard time staying focused. We'll discuss the best practices to keep productivity high, including how to set up a home office, how to create a schedule, and how to stay motivated. We'll also discuss the potential pitfalls of working from home, such as burnout and isolation, and how to avoid them. So, there you have it, the ultimate guide to work from home in 2023. Whether you're looking for a job that allows you to work from home or want to convince your boss to let you work remotely, we've got you covered. And if you do start working from home, remember to stay disciplined and focused, and to take breaks when you need them. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content.